Trained Nurses Association of India Nagaland State Branch kan aji Kohima di 12 TNAI State Level Conference lushe. Conference di Special Guest to Department of Health and Family Welfare Secretary S. Tainu Nagishe. Tainu bra search crucial nurses kan healthcare or health service delivery system di vital role lui laka patient laka well-being di nurses laka consistent care do essential ase. Tainu bra kushigi nursing profession do physically or emotionally demanding ase will be challenges kan samna kurili be professionalism, patient-centered care or ethical practice maintain kuribuli do nurses laka responsibility ase. Details saisabu.
It is my pleasant privilege to be a part of this August gathering on this auspicious occasion of the inauguration of the 12th TEBI State Level Conference hosted by the TEBI Local Unit Kohima. To highlight a little about our nursing services in Nagaland, we have right now at the top one post of Joint Director Nursing. We have 3 Deputy Director Nursing. We have 4 nursing superintendents in 4 district hospitals. That is, as we all know, Bokokchung, Tuensang, Kohima, and Dimapur. 4 principals now recently upgraded to colleges of nursing. 3 distributions and 1 A&E training school. We have 11 assistant nursing superintendents, 4 vice principals, 3 DPHNOs, 25 nursing tutors, 64 nursing sisters, 6 PHN, 4 wardens, 572 staff nurses, 59 LHVs, and 841 ANA or female health workers. So, as of the present scenario, these are the human resource, the manpower. But when we talk about patient-centered care quality and safety, now we have so many challenges. Let us all strive towards bringing a positive change in nursing, work for continuous improvement and professional growth, leverage technology and best practice to enhance care, and work towards shaping the future of healthcare and uphold the highest standards of nursing education. So with these few words, once again, I would like to thank you all, and I hope all of us will have a very fruitful deliberation in the other 2 sessions, which will be shortly, we will be having in the afternoon. Thank you once again.
Nurses provide constant care. That we all know and we all agree. Nurses are consistently present throughout patients' healthcare journey. Every time, as soon as the patients are being admitted in the hospital, you are the one to monitor all the vital signs of the patient, and you administer the medication, and you manage the wounds or the problems that one patient has, and responding to the changes in the patient's condition. So this care is very vital for patient safety as well as for patient speedy recovery. The most important duty that you are performing is, again, you advocate for patients, because nurses are always here to understand patient needs, especially for those who cannot speak for themselves. And nurses are not just caregivers, but they advocate for the patient, and you ensure that the patient's rights are very respected, and the concerns of the patients are being heard, and patients are being empowered to make an informed health decisions. Nurses safeguard the patient's dignity, autonomy, and privacy, which are very, very crucial elements in contemporary healthcare system. Another important role that you are playing is, like I'm repeating, you advocate for the patients. You nurses teach patients and their family members about health management, treatment plans, mitigation, and lifestyle choice. This is crucial for post-care instruction, helping patients manage their health after leaving the hospitals. So see, the nurses are every time with the patients, listening to the patient grievances, and monitor everything about the improvement after leaving the hospital also, after treatment protocols are over. So nurses also promote preventive care and educate community on health issues. We used to talk about technological advancement, and we are hearing so many things that we have AI hospitals coming up. But nurses, here you provide the compassionate care. The compassionate touch and compassionate care of nurses important. Even if we have, technology also. So the care and the touch of the nurses is important for the patient's recovery. So nurses empowers patient discoveries and the patient outcomes. Compassionate nursing, compassionate cares lead to higher patient satisfaction, better adherence to treatment plans, and lower mortality rate. That is the findings. This is not from my side, but this is the finding. So the compassionate care and compassionate touch of the nurses is important for every patient, because we know that we have a very small line. Care is the pen. So the touch and the care of nurses is the pen of the patient. So this approach, the compassionate care and compassionate touch, promotes healing by addressing patients' physical, emotional, and psychological needs. Nowadays, we used to talk about so many technological advancement, and then so many issues that we have. Our president also said, despite shortage of manpower in all the health institutions of Nagaland, you all are providing the best care to all the patients, and you are fulfilling the expectations of the community as a whole. Now, nursing is constantly evolving with new research, new technologies, and new practices, and so many best practices are also coming up. Now, to provide the best possible care, nurses must commit to lifelong learning, staying updated and with the latest development in healthcare. One should have a commitment to learn more, because learning is lifelong process that we all know, and like new technologies and new things are coming in, and then undiagnosed diseases are coming up in our health sector. So it's a new challenge for every one of us, even for the doctors, even for nurses and all the health workers. We have to stay committed to our job, and we have to be a willing learner. We have to update our skill. We have to upgrade our skill so that we equate with the changing times, because everything is changing, and that we all know, even if I don't explain it to tell you. So to equate with all the changing scenarios, especially in the health sector, we have to upgrade ourselves also. So we have so many trainings coming up. Kindly attend to such training also, and then be willing to learn a new things that is coming up in every field. In today's working environment, we need to have interdisciplinary collaboration, which is necessary for providing holistic health care. If we say that nurses, we are providing the health care that is being required by the patient, we don't need any other support, or we don't need any other advice from others. We should not go in that line, but we need come together. Interdisciplinary approach is important because you nurses will be working with the doctors from different disciplines, and then you will be working with different kinds of health workers fighting in different fronts. So interdisciplinary approach, the team spirit and the partnership, the close partnership with every aspect of healthcare is very important to improve yourself also and to provide a holistic healthcare. We have so many challenges, but despite our challenges, despite our shortcomings, despite our different issues, it is the responsibility of nurses to maintain our professionalism, to have a patient-centered care, and to go for every kind of ethical practices. Nurses are important. We should know that we all are very important for providing healthcare, shaping both individual health as well as societal healthcare. We always used to talk about bringing changes and bringing some kind of new things in our domain. But unless we change ourselves, unless we have internally driven to do something good or to bring something new, then we should be internally driven. That's what I want to see. Because influences and then new technologies will come in, but you should not lose the touch and then the responsibilities that you have. And I would like to remind you one thing also, that you have taken Nightingale Pledge. So that Nightingale Pledge you try to remember in the course of your duty, and that Nightingale Pledge should be your guiding force, should be your guiding light when you go on performing duties in different nook and corner of our state. We used to say Nagaland is a small state, but if you go to different places, we have different issues, we have different problems, and we have different experiences also. Like we have different culture among us also. So wherever you are being placed, don't think that if you go to far-flung places, don't think that it is a punishment posting or it is a punishment thing. But your service is needed. That's why you are being sent and you are being placed here. So wherever you are, kindly concentrate in your job. Have a better rapport with the people, have better rapport with all the healthcare workers, and do your best, give your best, and give the satisfaction to the patient as well as fulfill the expectation of the community. You should not be discouraged of challenges because we all have so many challenges. We all have so many things to be equipped ourselves also. So today you all will be having a discussion. Whatever issues you have, share your information, share the grievances also so that you can come about and then at least come up with certain concrete policy so that you can give it to the government also to bring changes in your nursing setup also. And I would like to wish each and every one of you to have a very interactive conference and wish you all to have a very impactful conference. Thank you.
Everyone said 22nd September. We said now. Avail GST benefits starting 6 September 2025. Own your new vehicle at lower price. Get up to Rs 1.56 lakh. Visit Apex Motor Mahindra and order now. Call 6909 316156.